Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to make this backless cowl neck top. This version of this video doesn't include the full detailed breakdown, but if you want this step-by-step tutorial with all the explanations, please click the link in the description to join my membership, or you can make a one-time purchase for this specific tutorial. So without further ado, enjoy the video.